Thinking of joining Hachion's online IT courses? Let's quickly answer the most common questions students ask. What is the format of Hachion's online IT courses? Hachion's offers live instructor-led online classes combined with self-paced learning modules, recordings of every session, hands-on labs, and real-world projects. Do I get access to class recordings? Yes. All live classes are recorded and available in your LMS, so you can revisit lessons anytime. Are these courses suitable for beginners, no programming background? Yes. Most courses start with foundation modules. Prerequisites are listed on each course page. Our instructors and mentors support learners at every level. Will I work on real projects during the course? Yes. Every program includes industry-aligned projects and a capstone that you can showcase on your portfolio or LinkedIn. If you want practical IT skills, expert guidance, and real project experience, Hachion's online courses are built for you. Check the course details and start your journey today.